So, hello people. As you can see, shoes tied, watch set, outfit on point, and everything's done. Seriously, everything's done. The officers are ready to explode and cook up some fun. Welcome to the officer's desk, where North meets Northeast, featuring Shubham Srivastava and Prakhar Purwar.
वेलकम टू आवर चैनल. टुडे वी आर विजिटिंग सीक्रेट ग्रूव्स ऑफ माफलांग फॉरेस्ट. सो हम लोग उसमें एंटर करने वाले हैं. देखिए आप, बहुत सुंदर जगह है. आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे आके आपको एक टिकट लेना होगा. यहाँ से आप टिकट के बाद अंदर जा सकते हैं. हमारे शुभम जी यहाँ ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, इसको तो दिखेंगे नहीं आपको. शुभम जी हमारे व्यूअर्स जिसे अच्छे से देख सकें. ये देखिए कितनी सुंदर जगह है, कितनी सीरीन है, कितनी प्रिस्टीन है, कितनी ब्यूटीफुल है. वहाँ देखिए, लुक एट दिस माफलांग सीक्रेट ग्रूव्स. आपका स्वागत करते हैं. इन लोकल लैंग्वेज इट इज कॉल्ड ए लॉलिंटांग. वी आर एंटरिंग द सीक्रेट ग्रूव्स. सडनली आज हमारा प्लान बन गया कि सीक्रेट ग्रूव चलते हैं माफलांग के. कल हमारे शुभम जी कुंभ मेला घूमने चले जाएंगे, तो लेकिन चलिए फिर आज कहीं इनके साथ हम आखिरी बार कहीं घूम आते हैं. फिर ये हमें बहुत दिनों बाद क्योंकि मिलने वाले हैं, 25-30 दिन बाद. ये यहाँ मोनोलिथ्स यहाँ की खासियत है. आप कहीं भी जाएंगे ये मोनोलिथ्स आपको हमेशा आपके दिख जाएंगे. दीज आर कॉल्ड मेगालिथ्स और मोनोलिथ्स. सूरज धीरे धीरे अपनी ऊंचाई पे पहुंच चुका है और ढलने वाला है. यहाँ की जो यहाँ वैली देख रहे हैं, जैसे इसको स्मार्ट करना है. यहाँ पे कुछ लोकल फेस्टिवल ऐसा लग रहा है चल रहा है, लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं. ये हम लोग को अब पार्किंग में आ गए हैं. पार्किंग में अब हम लोग को अपना व्हीकल छोड़ना होगा. तो हमने यहाँ पे अपना व्हीकल छोड़ दिया है. मिली हमारे शुभम जी से जो हमें यहाँ तक लेके आए हैं, जिनकी बदौलत.
हेलो हेलो.
ये देखिए कितना सुंदर है, आई प्लीजिंग है. हेल्प डेस्क लगी हुई है. ये हमारे शुभम बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे एक मोनोलिथ फेस्टिवल हुआ था.
हाँ, 5-6 मंथ्स बैक हम लोग आए थे. हमारा फ्रेंड भी था तब.
इनका बहुत बेस्ट फ्रेंड है एक. सो हमें यहाँ पे हेल्प डेस्क पे पता चला कि यहाँ पे हमें ग्रीन बोर्ड तक जाना है, वेयर विल गेट आवर गाइड. दिस इज माफलांग सीक्रेट ग्रूव्स. Still we're not able to see the groove actually. We're only seeing some बहुत एक लैंड ग्राउंड दिख रहा है. It is completely yellow but हमें grooves नहीं दिख रहे हैं. But it's beautiful actually. वहाँ पे देखिए सीट्स पड़ी हुई हैं where you can sit, relax. If you have brought something to eat here, you can eat also. It's a good picnic ground. मेघालय में बहुत अच्छी खासियत है, यहाँ पे आप कहीं भी चले जाइए, आपको हर जगह आप पिकनिक मना सकते हैं. सीक्रेट ग्रूव्स मतलब अगर आपको बताएं तो कुछ पवित्र जगह होती हैं, फॉरेस्ट होती हैं, जो ट्राइबल्स बिलीव करते हैं कि वहाँ पे उनके गॉड रहते हैं. तो वहाँ पे मोस्टली वो उसको अनटच्ड रखते हैं. वहाँ पे मोस्टली वो उसको अनटच्ड रखते हैं और कोई चीज़ टच नहीं करते हैं, और वो बहुत उसकी केयर करते हैं. तो इसीलिए सीक्रेट ग्रुप में मतलब यू कैन नॉट टेक एनीथिंग फ्रॉम देयर एक्सेप्ट कोई जो लीवी वगैरह नीचे गिर गई उसके अलावा. बाकी ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है फॉरेस्ट कंजर्वेशन के लिए. हमें ये सोचना चाहिए और हमें इनको प्रोटेक्ट भी करना चाहिए. सो हम वो ग्रीन बोर्ड अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, वहीं पे हमें हमारा गाइड मिलेगा. आई थिंक पहले से ही खड़ा है, पता नहीं। विल कम टू नो व्हेन विल रीच देयर। देखिए ये लिखा भी है, कितनी अच्छी लाइन है। वी डोंट इनहेरिट द अर्थ फ्रॉम आवर एंसेस्टर्स, वी बोरो इट फ्रॉम आवर चिल्ड्रन, सो रिस्पेक्ट एंड प्रोटेक्ट नेचर सो दैट वी कैन ऑफर द बेस्ट फॉर अ कमिंग जनरेशन। बहुत अच्छी लाइन है और हमें इस बात को हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए। आइए गाइड का इंतजार करते हैं, हमारा गाइड किसको जाएगा। दिस इज द एंट्री ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट। हम लोग को वनवास होने वाला है। 13 वर्ष बाद हम आपसे मिलेंगे, 1 वर्ष के अज्ञातवास के लिए दूसरे रूपों में निकलेंगे हम यहाँ से। हमारे पास आई थिंक एक ग्रुप वापस आ रहा है अंदर से टूर करके, उनका गाइड है। ये हमारा एंट्री गेट। ये हमारे गाइड आ चुके हैं, तो अब हम एंट्री करने ही वाले हैं। हेलो, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Nikhil.
Nikhil. So Nikhil is our guide today.
Name is not Indian.
Before we entering inside the forest, I'll give you a small briefing about forest. So first of all, good afternoon. So my good name is Nikhil, and I'm originally from this village only. So the name of the village where I live, we call it Mauplang. And Mauplang is just not only the name of the village, it's the name of the kingdom where the royal family and the king's family still exist in the village. So the king family is one of the family who comes and offering the ritual inside the forest. Because sacred forest is the place where the people have to performing the ritual, and the ritual that they're performing inside the forest is only when the people are having the problems. It means when the people from the village Mauplang, if they face any problems, they have to come inside the forest to offering the rituals to the deity of the forest. And the name of the deity, we call it Labasa. It's a garden and the protector of the forest. There's no idols, there's no pictures of the deity, it's a belief. So what we people do here, we have a belief to the deity. When we come, they come to do rituals and all. By the royal family, they pray to the deity, that Labasa. So the forest was starting here, it's around more than 700-800 years. This is the natural forest. So when we say natural, it means no planting and no cutting which is happening in the forest. And the forest, it stops here. This is the boundary, and it expands only at the back side, not in the front side. So the area of this forest has come around 80 hectares. So 80 hectares, the area of the forest, it has been considered as an untouched. So untouched, it means nothing can be taken, plucked or destroying anything from the forest. By mistake, if any of the people take something, pluck or destroying anything from the forest, bad luck will happen to the people. It's a punishment given by the deity for those people who take to pluck or destroy anything from the forest. The name of the deity, we call it Labasa. The guardian and the protector of the forest. We don't have the idols, we don't have the pictures of this. Yeah? And we have also the stone that side, that is the religious monoliths, and we have two kinds of stone, one flat and we have 3 standing. The 3 standing stone, it represent as a male, and the flat one, it represent as the female. So we have 2 kinds, 3 male and 1 flat stone is a female. And that is the religious monolith where the royal family used to pray. Whenever they go inside to do ritual, they have to pray on that stone. After they pray, then they go inside the forest and offering the ritual to the deity, the Labasa. Yeah? So this forest is the untouched, that we cannot take anything from here. You cannot leave your belonging inside the forest. We are not allow people to eat and all anything inside the forest. But whatever is there inside, we allow people to consume. It means like fruits and all. What we found inside the forest, we can consume freely. But the things that we take it from outside, we don't allow to eat it. Yeah. So now we can take that.
Okay, so that was a small brief by our guide Nikhil. अब हम एंट्री करने जा रहे हैं इन द सीक्रेट फॉरेस्ट। विल मेक श्योर दैट हम कुछ प्लग न करें। We have in several places we have seen the 3 rocks standing in one place.
Yeah.
So
Some
every
things are, you have their own benefits. You have their own reason. why you erect that tree. The rule is you have to erect 3 times one year. If you erect,
earlier the king used to sit there. It was a throne of king, or it was a ritual.
no. Actually, that is the stone that we have there. It means it's the only stone that where you have to pay whenever they come inside to obtain the ritual.
So other places,
Yes, we have to.
other places like
And what you told about that flat stone? That's
three erected stones are the represent the male,
Huh.
and the flat stone represent the female.
Yes.
okay.
And the other, when you go to other place, they have their own religion. They have their own religion.
So you
Okay.
have know about Natyam?
Yeah, Nartyam. Nartyam is a different type of religion at present. Nartyam is the guardian of monoliths, no? You see there.
What's the
The long of that stones. Sumar Palanki is one of the person who erected stones over there. Okay, just to want to remember that people, that man, I mean, the strong man who erect that stone alone without there's no helper.
So we were discussing about that Natyang monoliths. So now there is a spot in this sacred forest. He'll brief us about that shortly.
Okay, so having this one tree here, this is one of the trees that much very sacred and very special, especially for the Hindu religion. So the name of the tree, what we call in the Sanskrit name, is the Eriocarpus robusta, and for the common we call this tree as a Rudraksha tree. So this Rudraksha tree is bearing as a Rudraksha, it comes as a fruit, green in color. It will turn brown in colors, that means it will become totally ripe. It will turn brown colors. So when it turns brown colors, it means the shape, the line on that Rudraksha will become purple. So there's no sample that we have it here because this is the time where the fruits come. It's on the top only. When it turns brown color, then it fall. I'll show you the sample of Rudraksha over there.
Okay.
Sample, I'll show you there.
Okay. So basically it's a Rudraksh tree that in North India we used to worship that seeds also. He'll promised us that he'll show the samples ahead.
Rudraksha. This is the fruit will become.
Yeah.
Originally is this,
Yes, sir.
then it becomes like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
By natural process,
Yes, natural.
naturally.
From green to brown, it will come like this. This is the final. This, it's a seed. Yeah.
So there are many
Tree bearing like one mukhi, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we have here.
Yeah.
Three with
you are
varieties.
collecting and selling.
No. This one we show here, we keep here only sample only.
But there must be,
Yeah, but now it's not the season. This one it fallen because squirrel they eat the fruits. Okay.
Okay.
Squirrel they eat the fruit. No, that's why it fallen. Otherwise difficult to fall. When it totally ripe, then it fallen. Okay. But we here we don't take this. It have to leave it here only. Yes, we have outside for sale, but they are not from here. They are from the village forest. I mean, we
Okay.
take from village forest. For those people who need the real and genuine, they can get it, but from the village, not from here.
Okay. As you can see, this is Rudraksh. He just briefed us that there are एक मुखी, दो मुखी, तीन त्रिमुखी, चतुर्थ मुखी, पंचमुखी. So till that there are सप्तमुखी Rudraksh trees are there. तो उनके सीड्स से जब वो ड्राई हो जाते हैं तो हमें रुद्राक्ष मिलता है 7 तरीके का.
There, stop.
Okay, so this one is the pine tree. Okay, this is the local pine and the native pine tree of Meghalaya. What we call in a scientific name is the Pinus cassia. So the word Pinus, it comes from the word pine, and cassia, it comes from the word cassia. In origin, a native from Cassius, we call Pinus cassia. So people from the pine tree, they use in furniture. Okay, every furniture they use with the pine tree, because pine is the only tree that the insects and the termite they don't get chance to eat. Because in every pine tree, there's the oil inside. Okay, the oil inside the tree, and that oil it protects the tree for the insects and the termite. And then from the leaf of the pine, there's the leaf. when the leaf would fall down, we the people of Meghalaya, we collect the leaf and we make mattress. Huh. You guys used to make mattress from coconut, but we Meghalaya we don't have coconut tree. The mattress we make from the leaf of the pine tree. When the leaf would fall down, we collect and we make mattress. And when the leaf come green color, like on top of the tree, some people make tea, they make perfume, they make oil. So when they make tea, it's not mean only tea. It mean for the asthma and for the lungs problem. If the people have this asthma and all, from the leaf of the pine they get medicine. But we here, we use mattress only from the leaf. We don't use that asthma no. Because in Meghalaya there's nobody has asthma. Because the air is very
Yeah.
pure and fresh, no? So no one have asthma no, in Meghalaya. Yeah. This is the pine tree of Meghalaya. And we have other type of pine that is very common in Meghalaya. That other pine tree what we call nowadays Christmas tree. So that Christmas tree is not from here. You should know that. It's not from our country. That one is from England due to the plantations of the British peoples. I mean missionaries. They come and brought it from England, from British. They come and planted in Meghalaya. Nowadays, it's very common that Christmas pine tree in Meghalaya. Clear?
Okay. So this was our second spot. This is a pine tree. Basically, we used to, local people here used to make mattress out of it through the leaves of it when they get dried. So we'll go towards our next spot.
Which is not poisonous, it's not edible. This mushroom are used for decoration. Especially they used to make earrings from these mushrooms. When we touch it, feel like plastic. It stay very long alive, these mushrooms, because whenever there's the branches, it feed mushroom is still alive. So these branches, it doesn't feed mushroom, it will be over. It just change colors during the monsoon time. When it get rain, it turn light brown. No rain, dark brown. That's only the changing the colors. The size it won't change, it will remain the same only. Okay. And this one is a chestnut tree. Okay. This is the chestnut tree. The tree with giving the nuts for squirrels. Like when squirrels used to eat, it come from this tree.
આમાં અહીંયા ઝાડમાંથી બને છે યુઝ્યુઅલી
This one is the rhododendron. I'm heard about rhododendron. Like the North people mostly they call this tree the Arjun tree. Arjun chal. The tree that make medicine for heart. Disease.
No?
For heart, for diabetes and all that. Very helpful. By taking the bark of the tree, then from the bark they grind, become powder, they boil with the milk and water, and it's good for the heart disease, diabetes and blood pressure.
Yeah.
Very helpful. Okay. It has a flower also in the market.
અર્જુન ટ્રી
Tropical evergreen palms.
હાર્ટ
So here there is
હાર્ટ ડાયાબિટીસ ડાયાબિટીસ
Hasi badam or something used to eat here. Every family used to eat.
આ બધું જોવા
Here we don't allow more. Like you can recover.
રિચ્યુઅલ કરીને
Yeah, yeah.
આ લાસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ છે જ્યારે લોકો પહેલા
यहाँ पे ये लोग बता रहे थे कि ये प्रिपरेशन है जिस साइड राइट साइड वाला प्रिपरेशन स्टेज एंड दिस इज़ अ मीटिंग पॉइंट। अगर वहाँ से जब रॉयल फैमिली आती है प्रेयर के लिए अगर वो कुछ भूल गए हैं तो हेयर दे कैन रिमेंबर, और बियॉन्ड दैट अगर कुछ भूल गए हैं फिर वो लोग वापस नहीं लेके जा सकते, क्योंकि वो ऐसा मान लिया जाता है कि अगर कुछ भूल रहे हैं कि मतलब कि गॉडेस जो उनकी जो गॉड है डीटी है वो नहीं चाहता है कि कुछ उनकी पूजा हो, उनके रिचुअल परफॉर्म।
Okay.
Two to 3 years back. So this is the bayberry tree. It's fallen because of the age is very old. 500 to 600 is starting in the forest. One of the oldest tree in the part of the rituals. Okay. And the name of the tree we call as a bayberry. So bayberry is the tree with giving fruit green colors. It's a state fruit of Meghalaya. From that fruit we are make pickles and we make wine. Okay. We mix that pickles and wine. It's famous in one of May and June. Everywhere you will see that. That is the time for the season of the fruit of this tree. Okay.
What's fruit? May?
Bayberry.
Bayberry.
We call, I hope you know, sophe we call.
हाँ,
You know, right?
sovereign.
Yeah, sophe.
हाँ.
The name of that fruit. We call it
Ardashir.
capital local. No? It's very khatta, very
Yeah.
sour.
Array, it's like a shape in the shape of orange only. Little bit lighter in the color of orange, no? Nikhil, little bit lighter in the color of orange, no? That fruit.
No, no, no. It's like this much size.
No, color I'm
Oh,
asking.
color. It has green and red.
Yeah.
It's green.
ये रिचुअल का प्लेस है जहाँ पे जो उनके जो रॉयल फैमिली आती है जो रिचुअल परफॉर्म करती है। और ऐसे इसको यहाँ डुवन बोलते हैं, जैसे कि अपन हिंदी में हवन बोलते हैं, ये लोग इसको डुवन बोलते हैं ऐसे, डुवन। और ऐसे बहुत सारे यहाँ पे हैं 5-6। तो ये बता रहे थे कि ओल्ड टाइम्स में यहाँ पे बुल लाते थे वो लोग, और बुल को ओनली द मेल कैन कम हेयर एंड दे कैन परफॉर्म द रिचुअल्स, फीमेल्स आर नॉट अलाउड, एंड दैट टू द मेल्स विद बियर्ड एंड मुस्टाचेस, ओनली दे आर अलाउड। और यहाँ पे वो बुल लाते थे एंड द किंग वो एक स्लैश से, एक हिच से, ही हैज़ टू कट दैट बुल इनटू 2 पीसेस। और उस रिचुअल को परफॉर्म करने के बाद द रॉयल फैमिली हैज़ टू वेट हेयर, द रॉयल मैन एक्चुअली, नॉट द फैमिली, द मैन ऑफ द रॉयल फैमिली, दे हैव टू वेट हेयर, क्योंकि जो गॉड है, जो यहाँ का जो गॉड है, डीटी है जो सेक्रेड फॉरेस्ट का, दे बिलीव कि वो ना कुछ साइंस देते हैं स्पिरिट्स के फॉर्म में। तो ऐसा बोलते हैं अगर दे सी द क्लाउडेड लेपर्ड हेयर एनी वेयर, दे सी द क्लाउडेड लेपर्ड, तो वो मानते हैं कि वो रिचुअल सक्सेसफुल हुआ है। एंड इन केस दे से द रेप्टाइल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्नेक, वो मानते हैं कि वो रिचुअल जो है वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ है, वो फेल हो गया है, तो फिर उनको दोबारा से वो रिचुअल परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा। बट अब बोल रहे हैं कि अब बुल सेक्रीफाइस खत्म हो चुका है, अब उसकी जगह पे ये लोग रूस्टर सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं, मतलब कॉक लाते हैं, मुर्गा लाते हैं और उसको सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं यहाँ पे।
और एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट मुझे पता चला यहाँ पे आके कि मतलब वाई वी ईट ओनली द फ्लैश ऑफ बुल्स और रूस्टर, या तो मुर्गा जो हम खाते हैं, वाई वी ईट ओनली द फ्लैश। इट हैज़ ऑल्सो रिलीजियस बिलीव कि मीन्स ऑल द पार्ट्स वी जस्ट थ्रो इट अवे इन जनरल, हियर इट इज़ ऑफर्ड टू द डाइटी, दैट इज़ मतलब वो माना जाता है कि वो डाइटी के लिए है एंड फ्लैश हमारे लिए है। तो हार्ट, इंटेस्टाइन, ब्लड, हेड, ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी डोंट यूज टू इट इन जनरल, वो हम यहाँ पे डाइटी को ऑफर करते हैं, और नॉर्मल फ्लैश फॉर द कॉमन पीपल होता है। तो ये एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट पता चला मुझे यहाँ पे आके।
अब कुछ चीज़ें से मोस्टली विलेज सीक्रेट ग्रुप ख़त्म हो चुका है, बट कुछ चीज़ें जो बाकी हैं फ़ोटो वो दिखा देते हैं। ये वही बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है लिटरली, जैसे बहुत सेवरल ईयर ओल्ड, और अगर कभी रात में आएंगे आप तो यहाँ बहुत डर लग जाएंगे इसको देख के। इट्स लुक लाइक अ बिग 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 पाइथन। There was one movie. It's completely hollow. इसके नीचे हेयर्स पड़े हुए हैं, यहाँ पे से कुछ सेक्रीफाइस वगैरह के लिए हेयर पड़े हुए हैं। सी यहाँ पे कुछ हेयर्स पड़े हुए हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कोई सेक्रीफाइस परफॉर्म किया गया है। This forest is also, this tree is also very huge.
तो फ्रेंड्स ये था हमारा विज़िट टू द मोफलांग सेक्रेड फॉरेस्ट, और अब हम बाहर आ गए और टू सी रुद्राक्ष, एंड वी विल आल्सो गिव द फीडबैक।
How can we identify one mukhi, two mukhi?
Count the lines, brother. You have to take once and count the line. You'll know the mukhi. Pen bang ni line hai top.
1, 2,
Yeah, this is your address.
3,
Line to top.
You want to check the sir?
This one is like
1, 2 mukhi.
Take.
No, I don't want to take. I just want to see.
That one is
2 mukhi. There is 7 mukhis there. 7 mukhi.
7 mukhi.
I would like to donate something, bro,
Huh?
for the maintenance of the forest. Thank you for watching the video, and I would like to request you all to please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more of such videos.